Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have this vacuum cleaner which doesn't need a wire, it's just batteries, and so far that's just the device. It looks made really nicely and neat. We have a nice front or bottom part, whatever you want to call that. Nice big brush with transparent look, so you can actually see what's happening down here. Like nice movements, and you can also detach it easily if you needed to. Then we have a interesting middle part which you can easily expand to whichever length you desire. Okay, one-handed it's not as easy, but you can see I also managed to do that with my one hand, so that's also pretty nice. It looks pretty fancy with the gold color as well. And then this is the centerpiece. It looks kind of like a pistol. This is where the battery or the magic happens, and you will hold it, um, and it will probably show you as much. I will show that in a second. And if you pull the trigger, it turns on. And on the back here, there's the power button. Um, and then we have a container where our dust goes. We can open that up easily, remove it, the dirt and dust, and if we need more space or room, we can detach the whole container as well and walk over to our garbage can or where we dispose our trash. Then you just close it back up and you place it back on top, which is quite easy. Just snap it in there. Up. See, even one-handed, it works. And then it's ready to be used again. So that's that. When it's turned on, you have like a nice blue color. There's a percentage scale to show you how much battery you have left. There's different modes. It shows you with color how strong the suction is. So that's pretty handy, neat. And what I really do like is you have a little flashlight on top. Or at the bottom, so you can actually see where you're going. And now we just throw out some rice on the floor, because rice is always a pain in the ass, because there's like a lot of little pieces flying around. So we turn it on, the light turns on in case we are underneath some dark surfaces. This is not the case right now, but whatever. And then we just go over there, and you will see it pretty much gets all the little grains, and barely any of them fly around. Even the ones that are separated here. There's one over here. Let's get that one. And yeah, so I'm really happy with this vacuum cleaner, and I can definitely recommend it. And best part is you don't need any wires which are flying around in your apartment.